Team fact.
Go.
Oh, more cube.
Oh no.
AJ, here. There's missing a center cap.
No. What did you do?
I haven't even solved the cube yet.
Oh god.
I solved two. I have two alternatives.
No, that's at the cross.
Oh.
No. This is totally faster in theory, guys.
Why is the cube solved?
What do you mean, why is it solved? That's the goal.
That's a DNF. There's two caps off.
Well, we gotta find the cat.
Yeah, we gotta find
Where are they?
I found
There's
one.
one. We only need one.
We only need one.
I found the other one.
No, it's on the chair. Alright, okay.
Alright, everyone get
Ready?
ready.
Alright, get ready.
Cap.
Get ready. Alright, ready. And we have to put in one. Ready?
3.
No. Go.
Oh, I stopped a while ago.
Stop that. Wow.
Hey, 102,
There's only one left.
103.
47.
34.
103, I think it's. Where did I put the other one? I just had.
This is not even close enough. No, you're not going to be able to see anything.
He lifts the cover and they're all solved.
Ready, set, go.
That was the funniest one yet. Good work, guys.
I don't know if that cross is right.
This is a.
This one's going well.
This is a whole new world of look ahead.
Oh, I should have that
You gotta skip. Oh, you would have been faster.
Okay, who's faster?
Okay.
32.
32.5.
32.6.
You got 33 over here.
Yeah, I gotta stop it. Can you still
No.
shoot? Okay, cool.
So when you hit the timer,
So
you're
stop
done.
it when you know you're done.
I'm driving there.
The problem with this is that like I put my cube in, and then you guys all put them in at the same time and switched them, and I was still left without a cube to do. And that happened twice. In a
But there's
row.
only 5, like that can't happen. Someone has to be holding 2.
No, I put.
He's left with the
Yeah.
cube. He's left with the cube he just put down.
Yeah.
So we can't pick it back
Oh,
up.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Weird. It's like
We should have done a 5-second.
pigeonhole with
We
labeling.
did a 2-2 instead.
Yeah.
Where's the box?
I don't know, you took it off.
You would expect the box.
Right.
Easy.
Easy tiger.
Did it happen again?
Well, for last time, but.
Confirm.
Okay, from.
That was pretty good.
31.
31.
Oh, 31, awesome.
Yeah, 31. 31-3.
That was a pretty good
Sub
one.
30 is possible, guys.
Definitely.
Team. Like, what is this? Like, what can we
Team
represent?
ball pit.
Team ball pit. I like that actually.
Team ball pit.
Because it's like putting it into ball pit.
Yeah.
The other one's factory.
Team washing
Yeah.
machine.
I mean, that's not terrible either, because it is kind of a washing machine of...
Just stuff tumbling.
Team that tumbler that they put the things in for lotteries to randomize the stuff, but
yeah.
actually they don't work very well, and you have to do
Number generation? Like random number generation?
like the
No, like the
really early physical random number generators with all the
like-
balls and the thing
like
that
what
you crank
they
up
use in
and-
bingo.
Like old bingo.
Yeah.
They don't work very well.
I think they don't. Or there's like a famous
Well, that
case
makes
of one
sense if
not
the-
working very well,
if
and they
the-
found like the distribution was like way skewed by like when you were born or
What?
whatever. Yeah.
What is that? What?
It was for the draft.
Oh, okay. I thought you. Okay.
That makes
12.
Yeah, it was like everyone who got drafted was born in like December really disproportionately or something.
Well.
You guys did the thing. You did it again! You did it again! Stop! We're For forever, yes, okay, we broke out. We broke into a new cycle.
Oh, a new water cycle? What did you do? That feel?
That could have been something.
Ow. That hit the table so hard.
What was the time?
34.
Yeah. 34.68.
It's better, I think.
I feel like the lifting caused hesitation. That's like 3 seconds there.
So that's
Yeah,
what
what we really need is more advanced lifting strategy.
I better lift the head. You know,
Where is the lifter?
I don't know.
We no longer
Where's the
expect
inspector? Once I lift that, you can start the inspection.
Man, too bad Nash
Once I lift that, you can start your inspection. 8 seconds. 12.
Okay.
Okay, Jonathan, you be the lifter.
Okay.
Ready?
2, 1, go.
I knew Sarah was gonna do it.
You get to look in her eye.
You're too predictable now.
Come on.
You need to back off for a couple times.
Got grab.
Oh yeah.
Good cycle.
I said like you prime 5 times. I like how you can DNF by everyone stopping their timer too early and there's 1 cube and 2 steps in 1 person.
There's no one for me to straight lift.
Those
You know how you prevent this though?
You careful. Wait, they all need to have white. Yeah, they yellow.
We need one on top.
The purple one, white is across from purple.
Yes.
You make a point.
Ready, set, go.
Hey.
Pass.
Pass.
Oh shit, I forgot.
I didn't know
I forgot
that
what I
across the salt.
We're just looking for a step.
I was looking for the last point piece that I didn't put at the cross when I was over there.
Yeah.
31.
That's
Much
fast.
faster.
It's like a second fast.
Because I didn't pass at the beginning. I put it back in the middle.
Yeah.
One side facing down.
Would you
Remember
do?
that when you're inspecting. looking for the white face.
I won't know where it is.
Green face.
Who's taking it off?
I won't.
Me.
Jackson.
Ready, set, go. Oh my god. What the fuck?
What do you mean?
I got distracted because the yellow cross was essentially done.
Yellow. Oh, I see it.
Thirty.
30.
30.
0.6.
0.9.
0.3.
Oh no. 0.9.
I know.
Plus 2.
Ah. So you just write DNF plus 2?
Yeah.
Oh.
Which is worse than a DNF.
Oh, it's worse than a DNF.
But not worse than a
Than a
DNF.
I don't know
You
about
get a
that.
DNS plus 2.
DNS is worse because you just don't show up for DNS.
Right, but
For
somewhere.
DNS, at least you make it to the station.
Exactly, no, but a
Yeah.
DNS plus 2 means that you didn't show up, but somewhere your elbows are touching the driver.
Or you did this inside the car.
While you're touching this cubes. Okay,
That's not right. There you go.
Ready, set, go.
I think you press them faster with inspection.
Yeah.
Yep.
What kind of cross is that?
I don't know.
We had like 2 pieces off.
Half a cross.
Crap, I did it wrong. Oh, this is LOL.
Oh, so I gave you lantern.
And like, you know, this X cross, this is L cross. It's only 2 pieces solid.
No.
That's what I'm supposed to do.
No, I give up. I had that one to solve,
Most
and
of my DNS end up like being like through the good way.
I screwed up my something.
Okay, maybe we do it with inspection.
It's fine.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
I forgot my
phone.
So it was actually no inspection after all that.
Hey!
Nice.
So 20.
And that was no
That's
inspection.
so
That was still no
dirty.
inspection.
Yeah.
Wild